Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the Thesaurus in your Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word has the Thesaurus feature, and Thesaurus in Microsoft Word helps writers to find synonyms, which is similar meanings, and antonyms, which are opposite meanings for a selected word. So let's try with that. Now I have here a sentence. Our place is very beautiful. Now let's choose this word place. You just have to simply place the cursor into the word and then click on the review tab. This one at the top at the ribbon, you'll find Thesaurus. Now once you click Thesaurus, you'll find all the synonyms of this word. So as you can see, what you can do, you also have here the antonym. So it will state from here, you need to simply choose the word which is similar or which you prefer. So we have here place. Now let me choose this from the list. I want to choose residence. You just need to simply click on this drop down arrow and you will find insert. So click insert. And now you have this. Our residence is very beautiful. So from place, our place is very beautiful, it became our residence is very beautiful. Now let's try with beautiful, the word beautiful. And then we have to, or you can simply put the cursor, choose a letter, and click on review tab, click on Thesaurus. Now you have here the synonyms: lovely, attractive, good looking, gorgeous, stunning. So it's up to you as to what word you're going to use. Let me just quickly use attractive. Click on this drop down arrow and choose insert. Now close the thesaurus. And now from our place is very beautiful, it became our residence is very attractive, and it is more fancy to hear or fancy to speak. So that's it. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.